Welcome, I'm glad you're here, for I have a story to tell.
Toledo fell in 1085. It was the first domino, the city that had been the intellectual heart of coexistence, where Arabic, Hebrew, and Latin had danced together, now belonged to Castile. When Toledo fell, the remaining Taifa kings finally panicked. They called for help. Not from each other, they still hated each other. From Africa, the Almoravids crossed the strait, fierce, pious, and completely contemptuous of the soft Andalusian kings. They saved what was left of Muslim Spain by swallowing it whole. One set of rulers replaced another. The people, still suffering. Valencia, Zaragoza, Badajoz. The dominoes kept falling, some to the Christians, some to the African armies. All of them destroyed the world they had known. 400 years later, there were only two options left: be conquered from the north, or be absorbed from the south. Either way, Andalusia, the Andalusia they had built, was already dead.